Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna quickly dive into these two AI website builder to help you decide which of these AI website builder can be a game changer for you. So let's quickly dive into the review, starting from the pros and cons and the little information about these two AI website. So let's dive into it. So talking about B12 and Appy, they both promised fast AI website building, but they serve different needs. B12 focus mainly on professional service-based sites with AI-generated layout, content, and branding that looks polished right away. It ideal for consultants, agencies that want a clean, done-for-you setup. The downside is that it's pricier and less flexible for e-commerce or advanced customization. So you're talking about Appy, on the other hand, it offers more freedom with its drag and drop builder, AI tools, and support for online store. It's cheaper, great for beginners, but the template can feel basic and the performance sometimes lag. So in my own opinion, B12 went for sleek, professional site, while Appy is better if you want an affordability and a creative control over your project. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.